Cancer typically starts with a single tumor in a specific part of the body. If left untreated, it can spread to nearby organs or even distant areas like the brain. But how does cancer travel to new areas? And why do some organs get affected more often than others? This process of cancer spreading is known as metastasis. It begins when cancer cells from the initial tumor invade surrounding healthy tissue. As these cells multiply, they spread through one of three main pathways: transcoelomic, lymphatic, or hematogenous spread. In transcoelomic spread, cancer cells break through the lining of body cavities, known as the peritoneum. The peritoneum is a protective layer of tissue that lines the abdominal cavity and surrounds organs like the liver, stomach, and intestines. When cancer cells penetrate this lining, they can spread to other organs in the abdominal cavity. For example, ovarian cancer cells can spread through the peritoneum to the liver, causing metastasis on the liver surface. This type of spread is common in ovarian, stomach, and colon cancers. Hematogenous spread occurs when cancer cells enter blood vessels, allowing them to reach distant parts of the body. Cancer cells can invade blood vessels by producing enzymes that break down the blood vessel walls. Once inside the bloodstream, they can travel to other parts of the body, where they can form new tumors. This type of spread is common in cancers like breast, lung, and prostate cancer. Lymphatic spread happens when cancer invades lymph nodes and travels through the lymphatic system, which drains many parts of the body and provides a network for cancer to spread. The lymphatic system is a network of vessels, organs, and tissues that help defend the body against infection and disease. When cancer cells invade lymph nodes, they can multiply and form new tumors, which can then spread to other parts of the body through the lymphatic system. This type of spread is common in cancers like breast, colon, and melanoma. When cancer cells reach a new site, they multiply and form small tumors called micrometastases. These small tumors can grow into full-fledged tumors, completing the metastatic process. Different cancers tend to metastasize to specific organs. For instance, prostate cancer often spreads to bones, while colon cancer frequently targets the liver. Breast cancer can spread to the lungs, brain, and bones, while ovarian cancer often spreads to the liver and lungs. Several theories have been proposed to explain how cancer cells migrate. Two conflicting theories are of particular interest. The seed and soil theory, proposed by Stephen Paget, suggests that cancer cells only thrive in environments similar to their origin. According to this theory, cancer cells are like seeds that need the right soil to grow. If they find themselves in an environment that is similar to their original tumor, they are more likely to form a new tumor. James Ewing, a pioneer at Cornell University, proposed that the site of metastasis is determined by the channels that drain the primary tumor. According to this theory, cancer cells are more likely to metastasize to organs that are connected to the primary tumor by blood vessels or lymphatic vessels. For example, if a tumor in the breast is connected to the lymph nodes in the armpit, cancer cells are more likely to metastasize to those lymph nodes. Today, we know that both theories contain valuable insights, but the full story of metastasis is more complex. Other factors, such as the cancer cell's properties and the immune system's ability to eliminate them, also play a role in determining the success of metastasis. Unfortunately, many questions about metastasis remain unanswered. Understanding the exact mechanism is crucial for finding a cure for advanced stage cancers. By studying genetic and environmental factors that contribute to successful metastasis, we can identify ways to stop the process. The battle against cancer is ongoing, and scientists are working on new strategies to combat metastasis. One promising area is immunotherapy, which harnesses the power of the immune system to destroy migrating cancer cells. This can be done through vaccines or by stimulating immune cell growth with synthetic interleukins. These treatments are just the beginning. With collaborative efforts from governments, companies, and researchers, we may one day halt metastasis for good.